Hey grammar fans, welcome to Next Level English. Today, we're mixing fun with facts in a grammar trivia challenge, 35 quirky questions to tickle your brain. Ready to test what you think you know? Let's jump in. 1. What is the longest word in the English dictionary? Pneumon-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. Tips: it's a medical term referring to lung disease. 2. What is the rule for using an endon? Use in before vowel sounds. Tips: remember, it's about the sound, not just the letter. 3. Which sentence is correct? She can sing well. Tips: after modal verbs like can, use the base form of the verb. 4. What does the term subject-verb agreement refer to? The subject and verb must agree in number. Tips: singular subjects take singular verbs, plural subjects take plural verbs. 5. Which of the following sentences uses correct punctuation? Let's go to the park. Tips: use an apostrophe in contractions like let's for let us. 6. Which sentence is in the future tense? I will walk to school. Tips: use will or shall to form future tense. 7. Which of the following is an example of an interrogative sentence? Where are you going? Tips: interrogative sentences ask questions, typically starting with WH words. 8. Which sentence is an example of passive voice? The cat was chased by the dog. Tips: in passive voice, the object of the sentence becomes the subject. 9. What is an adjective? A word that describes a noun. Tips: adjectives modify or describe nouns or pronouns. 10. What is the rule for using few and a few? Few means not many, and a few means some. Tips: use few for a small number, and a few for a small positive number. 11. Which of the following sentences is a compound sentence? She likes tea, but he likes coffee. Tips: a compound sentence has two clauses joined by a conjunction. 12. Fill in the gaps. She to the store yesterday. Went. Tips: use the past tense when for actions that happened in the past. 13. Which sentence is correct? Neither of the boys was happy. Tips: use singular verbs with neither when referring to two items. 14. Which sentence is in the passive voice? A cake was baked by her. Tips: passive sentences have the object first. 15. Which sentence uses correct punctuation? Let's go, she said. Tips: use commas to set off dialogue. 16. What is the function of a preposition? Shows relationship. Tips: prepositions show location or time, like on. 17. Which is a simple sentence? I went to the store. Tips: simple sentences have one subject and verb. 18. What does a conjunction do? Joins words or clauses. Tips: words like and or but are conjunctions. 19. Which of the following is a subordinating conjunction? Although. Tips: subordinating conjunctions link dependent and independent clauses. 20. What is the superlative form of good? Best. Tips: superlatives compare three or more things and often end in est or use most. 21. Which word is an adverb? Quickly. Tips: adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs, often ending in ly. 22. Which of these is not a coordinating conjunction? Although. Tips: use fanboys, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so, to identify coordinating conjunctions. 23. What is the grammatical term for a word that modifies a verb? Adverb. Tips: adjectives modify nouns, adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. 24. She is taller than. Which pronoun fits best? Me. Tips: use me after than in comparisons. 25th. Which tense indicates an action that started in the past and continues now? Present perfect. Tips: the present perfect connects the past to the present. 26. What type of sentence expresses a strong emotion? Exclamatory. Tips: exclamatory sentences often end with an exclamation mark. 27. Identify the preposition. The book is on the table. On. Tips: prepositions show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words. 28. Which is a proper noun? Paris. Tips: proper nouns are names and must be capitalized. 29. What is the function of to and I want to go? Infinitive. Tips: to plus base verb form the infinitive. 30. What is the plural form of child? Children. Tips: irregular plurals need to be memorized. 31. Which sentence is in the passive voice? The cat was chased by the dog. Tips: the passive voice emphasizes the receiver of the action. 32. What is the collective noun for a group of wolves? Pack. Tips: collective nouns refer to groups of things or people. 33. What is the correct way to write the contraction of cannot? Cannot. Tips: cannot is written as one word. 35. What part of speech is the word quickly in the sentence he ran quickly? Adverb. Tips: quickly is modifying the verb ran, making it an adverb. If you enjoyed this quiz, make sure to like the video, comment your score below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and helpful English lessons. See you in the next video.